Namaste. Welcome to Bharat Parv 2021. I am Chef Anupam from Institute of Hotel Management Hajipur, and today I am here with one of the delicacies of Bihar, that is chokha. Now chokha is one of the dish which needs to be served along with the litti, and you know that litti is synonymous to Bihar's regional cuisine. And if you travel anywhere, even to Fiji, to Mauritius, to Suriname, you will find litti chokha, combination of litti chokha. So to prepare this chokha, I have taken brinjal. In locally we call them bangan, and if you go to France, this is called aubergine, and in America this is called eggplant. So this nice round one I have taken. Along with this I have taken tomatoes, pomodoro some people call, or in India we call them tomatoes. Now here first what we have to do, we have to brush it with mustard oil, properly brush it. We have to give cut in this. Now we will stir cloves in this. One clove of garlic in one hole, you can pierce all along. You can also pierce green chilies, that will also give spiciness. Now again this depends upon you that how much spiciness you want. So I have pierced, here you can see, clove of garlic and green chilies, and nicely I have oiled it along with aubergine, brinjal. I am going to use tomatoes for my chokha. Now the best way to cook them is you have to cook them on live fire or on charcoal, on top of the charcoal. Now this is charcoal along with the cordon cakes. Now this cordon cakes adds extra flavor to your chokha. Now that is in case you want to get the regional taste of chokha, this is the best way you can roast your aubergine and tomatoes. You can also add boiled potatoes. But in case for the people living in cities, if you do not have this live charcoal, you can definitely roast them in your oven. So use that, but live fire and this smoky flavor you will only get from the live charcoal. After 15 minutes of roasting, you see that our brinjals are nicely roasted along with the tomatoes. Now with this I am going to use boiled potatoes and green chilies also to make this chokha. So first we will remove this from the fire and remove the outer skin. Now you have to remove this outer skin to make the chokha, and then we will chop it. Our chokha is ready. This is where you see that I have a very nice homogeneous mixture of roasted aubergine, which is brinjal, and tomatoes. Along with this I have added potatoes, green chilies, lemon juice, chopped coriander leaves, little bit of raw mustard oil, and roasted garlic was there. Nice mixture of chokha is ready, and you see that how delicious it is, and it's a very mouth-watering dish. This dish will be accompanied along with the litti, which is prepared by Chef Anand. So our litti which Chef Anand has prepared is ready, and you see that it's hot and it has been smeared in clarified butter. So we'll do the plating. Here this is the chokha which we prepared. I am serving 3 pieces of litti, nicely roasted litti with shuddha ghee, and to plate this, to give it little bit of nice look, we are adding some coriander leaves. Now the plating of litti has been done on turmeric leaves. Now you see that down there is turmeric leaf, so the smoking flavor or hotness of litti will also affect the leaves, and you will get more taste on that. We are giving the modern look to the plating of litti, so I am adding some microgreens on this. These will also add taste and complement the dish. So the plating of litti is ready. Our litti chokha is ready, and as you see that it has been nicely plated, and I would request Chef Anand to give his comments on this.
So this plating arrangement is really looking very nice. At the same time, it's simple, rustic, and which look we are getting here can be completely acceptable as international standard in all over the world. Now how to eat this? For eating this, we have to first press it and break it. So
Okay.
we can first break it and then we can enjoy it by adding.
Oh, really? Chef Anand has told us to eat with bare hands. So that means will give you, when you lick your finger, so that will give you more taste. So chef has given you a very valuable point on this. As I told, this dish is enjoyed all over the world, in Fiji, Suriname, Bihar, Jharkhand, some places in UP also this dish is enjoyed. So we have tried, I along with the chef Anand had tried to give you the international way of serving this litti and chokha. So that's it from our side. Thank you so much. And Chef Anand would like to comment something on this.
So thank you very much, Mr. Anupam. Okay.
Thank you so much, and namaste.